How to fix Amazon Kindle app not working. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. If your Kindle application is not working, there might be because of a bug or a glitch issue. In order to solve it, firstly tap open your phone settings. Scroll down and check out for apps. Head over to all apps. Tap on the search icon to search for Kindle. Tap on the 4-stop button and OK. Head over to Storage and Cache, then tap on Clear Cache. After the bug or the glitch has been solved, tap on the Open button. After which, your application must be up and running. If not, you can head back from here, then open up your Play Store or App Store. In the search bar, go ahead and search for Kindle. If you see any of the available update for your app, just leave your application for an update. If not, and if your application is already undergoing an update, wait for a couple of minutes and launch your application. This is because your app will not work when it is undergoing an update. After which, your issue of your app not working will be solved. And just like that, you have made it to the end of the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.